powered with the flowing force of water to pump water. It is utilizing the water hammer effect as the driving force. The pumped water is used in watering plants as well as animals like swine and chicken. It can be used as drinking water for animals provided that the stream water is clean and free from toxins which can harm the animals. You can notice that fluctuating action of the pump water. As the pump cycles, the water hammer effect will create a force that will push the water to the output pipes and deliver to chosen destination. The ram pump is in the creek, where the flowing water is. So basically, we put a drive pipe which is a black hose or the polybutylene with the diameter of 1 inch. The output pipe is a half-inch hose. Above the pump is a pond where we cultivate azala, an aquatic plant that can be used as feeds for animals. In the ram pump, the smaller the output pipe is, the longer the distance the water can be delivered. So as the diameter goes bigger, the pressure is bigger, hence, the load of the pump is bigger, making it deliver in a shorter distance also. Utilizing the free-flowing force of the water is very environmentally friendly, free from electricity use. This setup can be done in 1 day provided that the materials are around. This pump can last for years, which can overlap the cost of investment. In this 3/4 inch demo pump, the volume flow rate is 1 liter per 3 minutes of runtime. So in 24 hours it can pump 480 liters of water or 2 drums. In this project we spent 2,500 pesos. It is functioning for almost a year now and still continuing up to the present.